the lateral, okay, and then canine and central. Alright, doctor cut it, ginger back to me, it's like that, and then here a little bit too. This is 3-unit bridge. So we fabricate about pink ceramic and then match it up the aesthetic, slightly longer, vocal corridor. So case design, we finish it from before. Okay, so this is a side view. Which is Dr. did is nice, changing back to me here. It's really awesome cases. And also Dr. did it here. So issue was this, okay, because it's not aesthetic pleasing. So what we did was make the great pink aesthetic from here to match it up, which is our skills. Whoever has the highest experience, then we can decrease it. We mimic with this pink tone. The pink tone is not really pink color, and then kind of a little bit in between with some kind of translucency. So we finish them up with this. Okay. Anyway, this is diagnostic. Like I said, this is a preparation, which is a nice job, right? So he extended, and then this is the other side. So we created from all this, and then make more incisor silhouette. Okay. So make more individual looking. Okay. And here, from this, then we fabricated the midline, okay, and also horizontal line, just like here, okay, then make the good contour, then make lateral short, like this. This is a signature, that's why people keep on asking about the price. This, which is high price. It's like this. Okay. Without this drawing, you cannot finish the final work. So, fabricated here pink. Here the lateral. So we must match with this and this. Okay. We have to match this and this. Canine take out, and then we have to match in this and this, here and here too. So from this doctor preparations, nice job, and then here cut it, and then we fabricated with the wax and the full contour almost, and then cut back slightly, and then make good compensation in between the teeth. And this is the final what it look like. Okay, so here's a 3-unit bridge, which is Lisi Cosmic Press. It's literally dice cake, and then here is the final work. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about, and then make the good contour and shape. So just illustrate about the two central, right? To central as close as possible. Lateral, we just compensate here. So without pink aesthetic, it's not going to match this one. It's look bad. So canine, you see, it's a detailed texture, shape and contour, and vocal corridor. So this is the high-end cosmetic aesthetics from the, it's not like white, and the lifelike restoration with a good amount of translucency. So this is the finals. I'd like to share with you guys. Okay, and this, and then here, what I'm talking about the between shot, right? Pink color. Right, and then here is the talking about this. Here is the side view. All right, so whenever you asking the dentist that this is a high end, the world class, the veneer crown restorations. Okay, and also you have checked the occlusion as well. Right, see the good proportion and facial contour, so make the surface texture in between here. Okay, so really tricky to make the size of the tooth. We make compensated between the lateral. Okay, and then canine and central. All right, and then we have to utilize a little bit more about porcelain furnace temperatures, so with the proper temperature, so it's not too glossy, so with a halo. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube channel.